love you, man. I remember you. Come on, give me the love. I'm waiting.
वी ऑल लव यू सर. सवाल ये है कि इसमें आपने माइकल जैक्सन को कुछ ट्रिब्यूट दिया है जो कि खबरों में भी है, अखबारों में भी है. किस तरीके से वो स्टेप्स प्लान किए आपने और वो दिखता है दूसरे अंतरे में?
देखिए, पहले तो सिड ने मुझे कहा कि उनका एक प्लान है. Why don't we do Michael Jackson? I said, are you mad? Michael Jackson, it's impossible, man. I will take like a month to rehearse.
And nothing is impossible for him, as we all know now. It's been, what, 14 years? We all know that.
Hey, I'm talking. So, so I actually, honestly, thought it was a wrong idea because you really cannot match up to the master, the god of dance. But then I realized, I have so much love and so much respect, and he has been someone I have idolized all my life. So I said, yaar, itna pyar hai mujhe for his work and for all the contribution that he has made in this world. It doesn't matter how I dance. It doesn't matter if I match up. I'm going to do this for my love for the man who started me off on my journey of dance. So I have done this in my own style. I have not done it like Michael Jackson, but it's his steps in my style. And that's what set me free. When you do something for love, it sets you free. And that's how I went about it then.
कतरीना, आपने काफ़ी एक्टर्स के साथ काम किया है, लाइक आमिर हुए, शाहरुख हुए, ऋतिक के साथ भी. किसकी डांस की स्टाइल सबसे डिफरेंट है, मतलब जिसके साथ आपने सबसे ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल फील किया?
Ritik's, for sure, because his flexibility is too incredible. It's on another level, so it's very difficult. You have to be an incredible dancer to dance next to him, which you have to really work hard for, and you feel nervous because he's got a natural rhythm. I think when he dances, and it comes to him so effortlessly. Sorry.
In spite your ill health in between, you tried to do the stunts on your own. How true is that thing?
We all go through our challenges, and I am the kind of person who enjoys it. Once you enjoy your struggles, once you enjoy your challenges, once you have clarity of thought, okay, nothing really lasts forever, and all that is there in your hands is to put your best foot forward and just keep moving forward, And that's what I did with this. No assumptions that things will go wrong, or just then I just stopped assuming the worst, the best started to happen. And मैं बोलूँ, I'm very, there are a few things that I've discovered through the journey of this film. पहली बात तो ये है कि मैं famous हूँ कि I'm the kind of guy who will lock himself inside the room and get into character and all that stuff. इस film में उल्टा हुआ है. इस film में I have discovered that this Rajveer is me. So when I started to prep, I said, what do I prep? I feel this. It's me. So it was a discovery that actually I'm Rajveer. So it became so easy for me. In this film, I have done zero prep. So it's the first film that I have actually been surprised in that way. So it was an incredible experience. Once I overcame my challenges, everything just became easy. This has actually been the easiest film that I have done. In deep contrast to what I was actually going through, the film itself has been the easiest film which I have done.
Katrina, as you said, you have to be a very incredible dancer to match up with Hrithik. So do you feel so you are an incredible dancer, or you became incredible after this particular movie?
She's being very modest. She has taught me the steps on the set. What are you doing? That's wrong. You have to do like this. Watch me.
Yeah.
No, actually what happened is I went into the song thinking I'm an okay dancer. So when we were rehearsing and all that in the hall, we would do rehearsals, I was thinking I'm doing it so well. I was just showing him because he wasn't dancing much. And I think in that showing him, I got distracted. I stopped learning myself. And then when we got onto the set, you can see clearly who's the better dancer. So I learned a lesson. But the song is a lot of fun. And when you see it, it's a good energy. I think it's one of my favorite tracks that have been in any of my films. When I saw Vishal and Shekhar, I went and I gave them a huge hug. And Sita gave a small hug.
After Dhoom, you feel you're more confident in dancing, in fact, maybe compared to your last.
After, not
There were
particularly
good,
after Dhoom. No, I think
Forgot
after.
Chikni Chameli.
Definitely.
Sheila ki
That one,
Jawani you forgot.
He's just asking me anything. He's just anything. I think after Race
long
is when I became more comfortable with dance. Like a little bit more excited about it, a little bit more confident.
कैसे हैं?
मैं bang bang हूँ यार, full bang bang mood.
और आपके नी के क्या हाल है?
Best knees in the world.
All right, good.
All the problems that you can ever imagine, they're there.
That's very good कि आप बहुत
That
अच्छे हैं.
makes them the best knee in the world because in spite of that, I can do everything. क्या knees हैं? My beautiful knees. I love you, my.
नहीं, कुछ बीच में इंजरी का सुनने में आया था कि आपने एक गाना इंजरी के साथ शूट किया, तो इसलिए मैंने पूछा.
पूरी पिक्चर यार, what गाना, full film.
ऑलराइट, हम लोग के पास थोड़ी सी कम बात आई. आमिर खान ने आपके पहले गाने को देख के कहा कि काश मैं ऋतिक रोशन जैसा डांस कर पाता. इस कॉम्प्लीमेंट के फेवर को रिटर्न करना चाहते हैं आप कुछ कह के आमिर को, या फिर ऐसी कोई चीज आमिर की है जो काश आप कर पाते, अगर आप बताना चाहें?
जितने कपड़े आमिर ने उतारे हैं उतने कपड़े अगर मैं उतार पाता तो आई मतलब
हाँ, मैं समझ
वहां तक मैं नहीं पहुंच सकता हूँ.
ऑलराइट.
काश कभी पहुंच पाऊं. लेट्स सी.
कैटरीना, आज शब्द नहीं है डिफाइन करने के लिए आप कितने सुंदर लग रहे हैं. बस ये कह देता हूँ, आप बहुत सुंदर लग रहे हैं. सिड, बीच में ये भी सुनने में आया था कि फिल्म ओवर बजट हो गई, तो आप पैसा ज्यादा खर्च हो गया. तो ऑन अ लाइटर नोट, ये दोनों में से सबसे ज्यादा खर्चा किस चीज पर हुआ? सिड, ये आपसे है.
Oh, sorry.
फिल्म
I thought
मैं
that
ओवर
was
बजट
for
सुन के
me,
मैं थोड़ा
question.
लॉस्ट हो गया.
फिल्म तो
ये वो मोमेंट है जहां झूठ बोलने का मौका है.
नहीं, इसीलिए मैं
हाँ, क्या हुआ बजट?
आई एम आस्किंग ऑन अ लाइटर नोट, सबसे ज्यादा खर्चा किस चीज पर हुआ?
सीरियस क्वेश्चन है. लाइटर नोट पे बता दो आप.
बहुत लाइट है.
मतलब
सबसे ज्यादा पैसा किस चीज पे खर्चा हुआ? आई थिंक खाने पे हुआ. I think it's food bills. I think Vijay would agree with that.
I mean, I think it's a really good question, but I think I think this is that one film which tested us all. मतलब कि इतने we went through this journey, and मेरे हिसाब से if the entire team had not actually displayed the positive energy that they did and support the film, and actually I think what is really interesting is everyone remained focused on the goal, that this is the kind of film we are trying to make. It was not about saying कि अब challenges आ गए हैं, अब let's now not do that big action scene, etc., etc. So I think this film has really I think it's a wonderful.
the best part is when you spend so much money and nobody complains because it is all looking so beautiful and so fantastic and you're doing such great work. Even the producer can't complain. You show him the film, he's like, before, like, अरे यार पैसा इतना खर्च हुआ, पिक्चर देखने के बाद पैसों का ठीक है यार, पिक्चर देख
क्या कर रहे हो नेक्स्ट शेड्यूल?
Hi Ritik.
Hi.
Myself Himesh from Talking Movies. The song looks wonderful. My
Thank you.
question is this song a part of the film or will it be in the end credits or?
You see the film यार.
हाँ यार.
You will discover it in the film.
टाइटल सॉन्ग है बैंग बैंग का, पार्ट ऑफ द फिल्म कैसे नहीं होगा?
पर ऐसे songs usually are shown in the end credits. That's why.
हाँ तो you leave the theater or you stay in the seat and watch the whole song.
It's worth it waiting.
Okay.
My question is for both of you, Ritik and Katrina. Movie second को release हो रही है with Heather, which is Shahid Kapoor's movie. तो क्या आप confident है कि ये movie bang bang create करेगी box office पर?
2nd of October is going to probably lay a new example where two films, good films, will do fantastic business. Why not?
आपकी कोई भी मूवी आते है सबसे पहले आपके बच्चे देखते हैं, प्रोमो देखते हैं. ये जो सॉन्ग्स हैं हमने काफ़ी एंजॉय किया. क्या आपके बच्चे देखे, क्या रिएक्शन था उनका?
सर मेरे बच्चे अभी 8 और 6 साल के हैं, तो उन्होंने अभी भी शुरुआत की है टू सी फिल्म्स. आप तो कह रहे हैं कि वो मेरे फिल्म्स देखते आ चुके हैं, but that's not true. But yes, what you're trying to say is that have they seen my film? They've seen the teaser, and I had a little, I had some reservations about the teaser. Lekin when I showed my 2 boys the teaser, they were jumping up and down. I called up, said, "Sid, mind blowing it. Take it. It's done. It's done." So great feedback when you get honest, pure feedback from children who have got no biases, no nothing. They reacted to the music. They reacted to the shots. They were inspired. They want to do it themselves. So I knew we had a great product there.
बट आपको सुपर हीरो के तौर पे काफ़ी तरह जानते हो, तो आपको लगता है कि अभी ये डांस दिखने के बाद क्या ज़्यादा पहचान पाएंगे, सुपर हीरो या माइकल जैक्सन या ऋतिक रोशन?
मैं सब कुछ हूँ यार. Whatever you want me to do, I will do. Hey, 6-pack, 8-pack, 12-pack. You do know? Huh?
I have a family pack.
Family pack. I think you all should stop discussing 6-packs and 8-packs and understand what goes behind and what do you need to take from that. You should try and look at the fact that some people out there have put in discipline, consistency, and have done something which probably in their own minds also seemed impossible to do at whatever age. So it is such an inspiring thing. I think instead of, रात को over drinks you want to discuss, उसका 6-pack, उसका 8-pack, like सुबह उठ के सोचो कि यार मैं भी कुछ कर सकता हूँ. It's health, it is fitness, it is for all of us. I think we all should be empowered by all the people out there like me, like Shah Rukh, who are trying to, push our potential to do our best so that we can inspire people. That is the point, and concentrate on that.
ऋतिक, मेरा सवाल वही था कि आपके तो 6-पैक काफी अच्छे हैं. अगर आपसे पूछा जाए कि आपके अलावा अगर किसी हीरो के 6-पैक जो आपको इंस्पायर करते हैं वो किसका नाम होगा?
मैं आपको एक बात बोलता हूँ. हम all the people who are over here right now, हम सबके पास 6-packs हैं. वो दिखते नहीं है क्योंकि उसके ऊपर एक layer of fat है. We all have the 6-pack. सब अंदर है. It's a muscle. Do you understand? हाँ है. वो दिखते नहीं है. You remove the fat, we all will sit here with 6-packs and remove our shirts and you can show me yours, I'll show you mine. Mind blowing, मजा आएगा next time, hopefully.
Ritik, there's one question for you. There were a lot of rumors that you are especially, going for the edits of the film, and you're actually sitting with Sid for the edits of the film. So how far it is correct or how far it is true?
You have a problem?
No, I don't have a problem, but yeah.
Problem है क्या in the edit?
This side, I'm
कुछ
straight,
खराब लगा क्या?
right, straight, like, hi.
Okay. Answering your question, I actually want to say one thing, which I truly believe. This is the first film in my life where I have actually experienced something that I have never experienced ever before in my life. This is the first film that surprised me. The reason it surprised me is because of all that I was going through in the past 1.5 years. I could not give myself as much as I do in all my other films to Bang Bang. So my contribution to this film has actually solely been as an actor, and that actually scared the hell out of me, because normally, there is a lot of other aspects that I look into and I want to know, and it's always been a very fun ride for me, but this time I just didn't have the time. So what it comes down to the fact is that when you see the film, we all have worked very, very hard on this film, but this film truly belongs to only one man, and that is this man here. He has single-handedly made this film. Every single thing that I was made to do on set was a surprise to me, because I know how the hell do you imagine a flyboarding action and incorporate that, and I can't even reveal the other things that you have, I don't know from where. Okay, fine. But this is I am so delighted, which is why I keep saying that if not my best, this is definitely one of my best films. And I can say that with confidence because I myself have been surprised when I saw the final rush of the film. And for that, I actually want to stand up and give this man the biggest hug that ever is possible. My friend, you did it! So, does that answer your question?
Too many kind words today.
I just want to say कि जिंदगी ना मिले के दोबारा में आप दोनों बहुत ही प्यारे दिखे एक दूसरे के साथ, और आप दोनों की केमिस्ट्री सबको बहुत पसंद आई. उसके बाद बैंग बैंग में आने के बाद कितनी कंफर्टेबल थे आप दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ काम करते समय कि
More comfortable, no? You spend little time, you spend more time, you get more comfortable. Simple है.
नहीं तो पर
शक है आपको?
नहीं, हमें कोई शक नहीं है, because you guys are looking fabulous in this movie.
That is why we are looking fabulous.
तो I'm just asking कि जिंदगी ना मिले के दोबारा के टाइम से अब तक, मतलब जितना टाइम you guys are best friends now, like very good friends to each other.
तो अभी कितना ज़्यादा
ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे.
Katrina,
and
actually,
also,
he sings
in
that
Krish-
song a lot on the set to me, just so you know. He does. This is the song he sings for me. I'm not sure why.
क्रिश 3
Do you
में
know
आपने
why?
बहुत बहुत अच्छे एक्शन सीन्स हो चुके थे. इवन डांसिंग में आप योर सुपर्ब. तो बैंग बैंग में क्या डिफरेंट और क्या नया नजर आने वाला है?
क्या इसी Krish 3 में नो I was the assistant, I was the errand boy, I was the spot boy, my father's film. तो मतलब मेरी कोई मतलब वो जो एक स्टांस होता है ना, अहमियत, तो मैं खड़ा होता था कि यू नो एक्टर स्टार एंड फट करके समथिंग यूज्ड टू हैपन. ये काम नहीं हुआ, वो काम नहीं हुआ, आई हैव टू डू दिस, आई हैव टू डू दैट. तो उस टेंशन में all my work that I did in Krish 3 was out of sheer fright. Okay, I have to get it right. But in this film, because of the wonderful team that has been by my side, I mean, what I went through, and because of the delay, it's but obvious that the morale of the film comes down. But I mean, first of all, Sid here, who just kept going, kept empowering. We kept empowering each other every day. SMS पे पता नहीं क्या होगा, but जब होगा ना यार फाड़ देंगे हम लोग. I promise you, Sid, I will come back. I'll be stronger. We'll do it. You don't worry, Sid. You don't worry. Like, yeah, even you don't worry. I'm with you, Hrithik. I'm with you.
Although I'm
the अंदर फटी हुई है कि क्या होगा. But we stood by each other, and then of course all of us stood by each other, and the kind of support structure that I got emotionally at that point of time really empowered me. And what happened after that was a revelation, because as I said, this became the easiest film I've ever done. So I think that is what shows on screen as Rajveer. I don't think you've ever seen me like this ever in my life. It's something that I actually was afraid of doing until this man here pushed me into it. It's like, no. Just calm down. Just don't be that. Just calm down. I can't explain to you exactly what that means, but that's what went on a set. And in doing that, I discovered a new side of myself. So for that, gratitude, my friend. And I hope you guys like what we all have done in the film. I love it, so you better bloody love it.